Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about notice writing. Let's talk about the format. At the center of the top, the name of the organizations or the institutions should be there, and below this there are trays, and then the word notice all capitalized, and then the date. After date we are going to give the title or heading of the notice. And in the body, we are going to give the main details and the necessary information that the reader must know in less than 17 to 80 words. After that, in some of the cases, if we need to mention the venue or some date or some other necessary details in bullets, then we are going to include that too. And at the bottom, we conclude the notice with the signature of the authorized person, his or her name, and their designation or their title. Before we go to the sample, let's learn some of the vocabularies that we can use in notice writing. In the content, we could write, this is to notify, you are notified. This is to inform, you are informed. All the desks are informed that, all the desks are requested that, or our institutions is organizing test on test dates. Let's see the sample answer. The sample is the answer of grade 10 English, Unit 12, Writing 2. The question reads like this. Imagine you are the secretary of the child club of your school. Write a notice on behalf of your child club about a program that you are going to organize soon. And here is the sample answer. ABC School Child Club, Kalanki, Kathmandu. Notice. Date 23rd August 2025. Title Folk Song Singing Competition. All the students are informed that the Child Club of ABC School is going to organize a folk song singing competition on the auspicious occasion of Bada Dasai at a school auditorium hall. All the interested students are highly encouraged to get their name and their song registered by 29 August 2025. Cash prize for the winners. Entry fee rupees 500. First prize rupees 2000. Second prize rupees 1500. Third prize 1000. The singers should wear a cultural dress appropriate to their song. The signature, name of the secretary, and the designation. In this way, we can write a notice. From the examination point of view, there are certain things that you need to consider. Number one, stick to the word limit. Generally, you are asked to compose a notice within 100 words. Number two, it is highly recommended to put your answer in a box so that it looks very neat and clean. The essential details like what, when, and where should be included in the notice. And if you are organizing something for some cause or for a reason, it should be also included in the notice. Thank you for watching.